Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Samreen here and I'm so sorry I was gone. I know I haven't been uploading anything and I have a valid reason for it, and the reason is that I went to India. Yes. So recently I went to India. The whole April I was in India. I went back to India after 6 months and I was so excited, and everything happened like so suddenly. Everything just everything happened at once, and because of that I was not able to upload any videos. I was so busy with my family, with my friends, and I just wanted I just wanted to spend time with them, not doing anything else. That's why I was just gone from YouTube. But yeah, I'm back again and I look like a mess right now because I'm not feeling well, and I feel like I have some I'm having some throat infection, something. So I had my medicines, but it's not working, I guess, whatever. So yeah, that's why I'm looking like I don't know, whatever, but yeah, I look like a mess right now. So guys, in this video I just don't have a lot things to do because, to be honest, after coming back from India, this semester we don't have any classes, so it's just gonna be our dissertation period, and we need to do our dissertation. So we need to submit our dissertation in September. So this period is going to be for dissertation. That's it. There's no classes, nothing. So we had our class. The last class was on 26th, 20th of March, and after that, no classes. So yeah, classes for me in this life is ended. Like I won't be have any other classes because I've done my masters also, and I have no plan to do my PhD or some. Even in PhD we don't have usually have any classes. So now I don't have a lot to do in Durham, but I must tell you one thing more, that the weather was so nice. Like I came back on first and it was so nice, so nice. I'm just going to show you some clips. So as you can see, it was so pretty. I just came back and the sun was out, everything was so green, and you know I was crying in December that the temperature, like the weather is so bad and I feel depressed. But after coming back, I was feeling that I'll come back and I'll be upset that I'm gonna miss India. But I mean, I don't know how to say this, but I felt so happy after coming back because the weather was so nice. So I think weather actually plays a major role in our lives. How my mood is going to be, it depends on the weather. So yeah, so the weather was very nice, and yeah, the next day, of course, it's UK's weather, so it's unpredictable, and you feel like आज गर्मी है and the next day it's going to be cold. So today if it feels like it's 15 degrees, the next day is going to be 5 degrees, so it's very unpredictable. Again, that day it was a good weather, next day it was cloudy. So I think maybe because of that uh, मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई. I don't know, to be very honest. So yeah, and what else I need to tell you guys? So yeah, I just got up and I'm going out. I just got this I got this new job, not kind of a job, I will say. I gave this interview for a job, and I'm just going there to meet them, and they're gonna I don't know, they just called me. I don't know for what they called me, so I'm just going to see, meet them and see what else I should say. Yeah, and then I will come back, and that's it. Like my daily life, it's getting I'm getting bored actually now. So maybe I should work more. Yeah, and then tomorrow I think it's gonna be sunny. So maybe I'm planning to go for a trek, or to go on to go for to do something. So when it's sunny, I go out. I like going out if it's sunny and I do something. But if it's cloudy, I feel so lazy. And today was this day I was feeling so lazy. So you guys, I'm getting late. So I'm gonna show you. I don't have a lot to show in this video. I just came back to say hi, and I missed you guys. But come with me. Let's see what I do this whole evening. Okay, bye. So guys, I just came out and I just forgot to mention one more thing, that now in UK the sun sets around 8:45. I mean, it's strange. I mean, in India, max to max, the sun sets around 7. I think 7, yeah, in summer. But now here it goes like, people were telling me that after a month or something, after a few days, the sun will set around 10:30. So I mean, and then the sunrise happens around 4. So like रात बहुत छोटी हो गई. I mean, it's just like 4 hours, 5 hours, and then so I used to complain that, you know, इतनी छोटी रात, इतनी लंबी रात है. In winters it used to be like the sun sets around 3:30, but in summers the sun sets around 9:45, 10. So it's little weird for me, but I'm being very honest, I'm liking this weather more because everything is so green and I love greenery and all that stuff. So yeah, so I'll just show you how it looks. Wait. So guys, for the first time in my life मैं कहीं जल्दी आ गई हूँ. I mean, I'm proud of myself because मैं हर जगह लेट पहुँचती हूँ and ये मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा बुरी बात है. So now I'm waiting outside this park and मैं 15 मिनट जल्दी आई हूँ. So I'm very happy and I should be proud of myself for whatever reason, I don't know, but I'm here early. So but यार, I feel like जल्दी आने के भी अलग नुकसान है. I mean, I think exact time पे आओ, that's something better, but I cannot help it. आ गई हूँ तो बैठी हुई हूँ. So I still have time. So I was thinking of talking about something, but nothing is coming in my head because I'm not well. So yeah, I just hope that this thing works where I'm going right now, and let's see. And I'm also hungry, but yeah, I was thinking that I need to diet. I'm being very honest. Like, I need to lose some weight, and I was thinking that I'll skip dinner because I'm getting because I need to lose weight. But अभी शाम के 5 हुए हैं and I'm already hungry. So I had my lunch around 4, but now I'm already hungry. Sorry, I stopped recording because a lot of people started coming and I feel little awkward. So yeah, what I was saying, yeah, I need to, and I'm already hungry, so I don't know what I should do. I mean, कैसे होगा weight lose? कैसे? क्या करूँ? But कुछ तो करना होगा. And yeah, one more thing, I just tried boba, like not for the first time, but I tried this caramel pearl boba here in Durham. Oh my god, it was amazing. For the first time I actually liked boba. I never used to like it. I just used to forcefully have it because one of my friends, they are having it, and I used to think that I should also have it. But yesterday it was amazing. I mean, yeah, it was amazing. So guys, I think I should just go now and I'll give you updates about my, like, if it worked out or not. And yeah, I should see you soon. Bye. Hello guys, it's the next day and I'm going out with my friends to shop and just like that. So I'm just gonna share you the video. I'm in a hurry, so sorry for that. Hi guys, so I just reached to Dragonville. So ये दरहम के पास की मतलब एक जगह है. So if you are getting this accommodation, Ernest Place. So it's like दरहम का ही ये accommodation है, but इसमें जैसे कि दो स्टूडेंट्स who don't get rooms in their college, तो उनको यहाँ पे allocate कर दिया जाता है. ये थोड़ा सा दूर है from the city center, not थोड़ा सा, you need to take a bus, then only you can be here. So yeah, I'm here, and there are a lot of, not shopping complex, you can say Tesco, Iceland, you can say TK Maxx is here. So a lot of shopping complex, like people come here अगर उनको मतलब अच्छे से शॉपिंग करनी हो तो. You cannot go to Newcastle every time, so if you're not going to Newcastle, so this is a good place to come and shop because you get everything here. I mean सब कुछ है almost, बस हाँ H&M, Primark, these things are not here, but definitely आपको आपकी चीज़ें तो you'll get it. So I'm here with my friends and I'm just going to show you the complex so that you get an idea that हाँ दरहम में भी ऐसा नहीं कि चीज़ें नहीं है. So yes. So it starts from like the bus dropped us there, and you can see Iceland all day. Then all this area, इसके पीछे भी there are like the Tesco and all is there. खाने का भी it's like you can have McD, Pizza Hut and all that stuff. So it's a very big complex and you can just have everything here. And if you can see, there's this building बहुत पीछे, that's Ernest Place, जहाँ पे दरहम के students रहते हैं. So yeah, I'm just going inside the TK Maxx. My friends are there and it's me. So guys, after TK Maxx we went to Tesco Extra, and Tesco is like, it's quite famous in UK. I don't know about other countries, but यहाँ पे हम grocery shoppings करते हैं और काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे products मिलते हैं in cheaper price. So here we are. This Tesco is like huge, and यहाँ पे I don't know इतने huge shops या कुछ है ही क्यों, क्योंकि the population is so less. So who's gonna buy it? Okay, whatever. So we just came here and हमने घर के लिए कुछ कुछ चीज़ें ली for our everyday use, मतलब grocery shopping की, and we bought stuffs, and after that I just went back home क्योंकि उसके बाद कुछ खास करने को था नहीं, तो हमने घर की shopping कर ली. And yeah, we can get dogs, animals also here. पता नहीं था मुझे. Hey guys, so I'm back and it was a very hectic day, to be very honest. And we shopped a lot, not a lot I'll say, but हमने groceries काफ़ी ली. So yeah, I'm back, and you know what, अभी it's 9 p.m. और अभी भी अच्छी खासी light है बाहर. So strange, but I don't know, whatever. And one more thing, Lakshmi is back, so I'm very excited. As you know, Lakshmi, she is like one of my best friend in Darham, so I'm excited. And अभी मैं जाऊँगी नीचे, हम डिनर करेंगे सारे साथ में, like old time जो भी. और उसके बाद हाँ, मैंने हलाल चिकन भी लेके आया. So all of you who are coming to Darham and all the Muslim people out there who want to eat halal chicken, like halal meat, so there is this place जो स्पेशली काफ़ी फ्रेश और हलाल मीट देता है. तो या हम तो आज हम वहीं से हमने चिकन लिया, एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना कुक चिकन एंड आई सी कि ठीक है उसके साथ क्या खाना है, जो भी whatever. सो या कम विद मी, अभी जाके नीचे डिनर बनाऊंगी. सो अभी that's it, that's all I have to say right now. Okay, bye. So guys, this is the proof that Indian students can have Indian food in UK. So this is the chicken korma. We got korma, what we call it, Nandi? Korma masala from Indian. And this naan, we get it from Tesco. And it tastes amazing, I swear. I've seen him already. So guys, I just came back to my room and I'm super tired. I was all out all day and बहुत ज़्यादा भी मैंने heavy भी खाना खा लिया है. So I'm feeling like I'll just sleep, but I have a few works to do, so I'll just complete that and then I'll sleep. So I just, like, this video was a very normal day in my life kind of video, and I just made this video because I was not there on YouTube बहुत दिन से, and I wanted एक कुछ भी डालूं बट मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. So yeah, this video was like that random video, but don't worry guys, I'm just gonna post a lot of videos आगे, and I'm going to try my best कि मैं consistent रहूं. So yeah, that's it for this video, and guys do like, subscribe, और कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हो तो ज़रूर पूछना. That's it for this video. So yeah, bye.